Hi, my name is Lydia Waterman, and in this video I will walk you through how to make tempeh in 7 steps. Tempeh, originally known as tempeh kedele, originated in Indonesia around 1800. You might be wondering, what is tempeh? Tempeh is a fermented food made with legumes and a mold starter culture. Tempeh is traditionally made with soybeans, however, it can be made using other legumes such as peanuts. Similar to tofu, tempeh has a mild flavor and can be used to substitute meat products. The texture of tempeh is distinguishable due to the growth structure of the starter culture. Before you make your tempeh, you'll need to gather the following tools and materials: soybeans, clean water, salt, koji, starter culture, a large pot, a strainer, a stove, and something to wrap your tempeh in. One warning you'll need to be aware of is that boiling water is hot. Use oven mitts and practice care to prevent skin contact and burns when boiling your water. Step 1. Soak your soybeans. Soybeans may be washed prior to soaking. It is important to use de-hulled soybeans. This allows the beans to intake water and release nutrients. The soaking time may vary depending on the quantity of soybeans. This recipe calls the soybeans to be soaked for 30 minutes. Step 2. Cook the soybeans. Soybeans can be cooked in the same soaking water or in new clean water. Cook time may also vary depending on the quantity. This recipe calls for 30 minutes. Step 3. Drain the water. Use a strainer to drain the water from the soybeans. Once drained, the cooking water can be discarded. Step 4. Inoculate with koji. Typically, the starter culture of choice is grown on rice prior to inoculation. The inoculated rice is called koji and mixes well with the soybeans. Koji can be prepared with Aspergillus oryzae or Rhizopus oligosporus starter cultures. Salt should also be added at this step. Step 5. Form a block. It is important for the block to be packed tightly to ensure that the starter culture begins fermentation of the soybeans. Step 6. Wrap the tempeh. Traditionally, banana leaves are used to wrap the tempeh blocks. However, modern facilities may use cloth or perforated polyethylene bags. Step 7. Incubate. Incubate the tempeh in a warm, humid, and oxygen-rich environment. This will encourage the mold growth and speed up the fermentation process. Incubation should last 24 hours. After fermentation, the tempeh can be prepared in a variety of ways. The picture above shows a meal with fried tempeh. I hope you enjoyed learning about how to make the fermented soy product we call tempeh. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.